The Earth's Silent War. Are humans the ultimate virus? In the vast complexity of our universe, a profound question emerges. What if our planet isn't just a lifeless rock floating through space, but a living, breathing organism? And what if humanity represents nothing more than a destructive virus, threatening its very existence? The living planet theory. The concept isn't new. In the 1970s, scientist James Lovelock introduced the Gaia Hypothesis, proposing that Earth functions as a self-regulating, interconnected system. Imagine our planet not as separate ecosystems, but as a single, intelligent organism constantly maintaining its own balance. Consider how our bodies fight infection. When a virus enters, our immune system mobilizes, creating antibodies to eliminate the threat. Now, transpose that concept onto our planet. What if climate change, natural disasters, and ecological disruptions are Earth's immune response to human destruction? The evidence of planetary defense. Look at the alarming patterns emerging worldwide. Wildfires aren't just increasing, they're transforming. In California, we've seen 10 times more acres burned in the last 2 decades. The Amazon rainforest, once considered the planet's lungs, is experiencing unprecedented destruction. These aren't random events. They're calculated responses. Hurricanes are becoming monsters of unprecedented intensity. The number of Category 5 hurricanes has increased by nearly 30% in just 1 decade. Longer seasons, more destructive wind speeds. It's as if the planet is developing more potent defense mechanisms. Drought patterns tell an equally terrifying story. The southwestern United States is experiencing its worst drought in 1,200 years. African agricultural lands are becoming increasingly barren. These aren't just environmental changes, they're systematic eliminations of the perceived threat. Human impact. By the numbers. Let's talk raw destruction. 15 billion trees cut down annually. 8 million tons of plastic dumped into our oceans every single year. 20% of the Amazon rainforest already obliterated. Global CO2 levels are the highest they've been in 3 million years. We're not just damaging the environment, we're triggering a planetary immune response. Natural disasters become antibodies. Ecosystem collapses represent targeted eliminations. Climate shifts are regulatory mechanisms designed to restore balance. Or can we transform and become its healing mechanism? This isn't just an environmental question. It's an existential one. The solutions exist, but they require radical reimagining. Regenerative agriculture. Complete renewable energy transition. Massive ecosystem restoration. Responsible population management. A total reconstruction of our economic models. The ultimate realization. We are not separate from nature. We are nature. And right now, we're forcing our planet into a defensive stance. The question isn't whether Earth will survive, it's whether we will. Our planet has existed for 4.5 billion years. Humans? Barely a blip in geological time. Yet in this short period, we've managed to trigger what might be our own extinction protocol. A call to consciousness. This isn't a message of doom, but of hope. We have the capacity to understand, to change, to heal. Every sustainable choice matters. Every individual action creates a ripple. Educate yourself. Make conscious decisions. Support environmental initiatives. Spread awareness. Recognize that we're not just inhabitants of this planet. We're potential partners in its continued evolution. The Earth is speaking. Are we listening?